Not every vine that you prune is going to be easy. And not every vine that you prune is going to be following good soft pruning structure. But it is pretty simple to slowly build this over time. And you just need to know exactly what you're trying to do and how you're trying to set it up. So this is a vine that has had a lot of different things happen to it over its years. But if you look closely, we are starting to build some sort of soft pruning structure into it. If you look on the left-hand side here, we've got a renewal spur. And then a cane was chased twice off this top one. On the right-hand side, there's another renewal spur with a cane that was chased twice for fruit. So it's taken a few years just to get 2 points of renewal that are looking good. But now that we have those, we can start to actually start branching off this and start following that soft pruning structure and building out that kind of vascular system of the vine. So first thing we want to do is find our spur positions. We've got one here on the left-hand side. I'm going to do a long spur on this one. Typically you only do 2 bud spurs, but in this situation, I'm going to ignore bud 1 and 2 because they're very close and tight in this, inside this spur position. Oh, let's focus that. There we go, they're very tight in there. And this one, bud 1 is probably fine to branch off of, but bud 2 is going to get squished in there. So I'm going to try and open it up a bit and bring it out. The cane on top is super healthy and we'll use that to wrap down. On the right hand side, there's a renewal spur. On the inside, there's our renewal spur in there. Remove these old wood and we've got a cane here that's healthy enough to wrap down. So everything else then just comes off. All the 1-year-old wood using crown cuts. All the older wood we're using return cuts, allowing room for dryback. Inside the crown, there's always water chutes that you need to clear out, like this one here. Super important that you get those because they do add to the bud load that the vine is carrying. And then this one up here can be removed with a return cut, allowing room for dryback. And then we have 2 canes and 2 spurs. All right, now that I've stopped swinging the camera around, we've got 2 spur positions, 2 canes to wrap down. We're branching it out from those 2 points. This old wood up top will slowly dry back as we make small return cuts each year. And then eventually we can remove it here and here, clears that head out a bit. And then we just continue branching off those 2 renewal points every year.